Good morning, boys and girls. Today, for our word family, we are looking at AG. Every time we see AG next to one another in a word, we're going to say ag, ag. So if there's a B in front of AG, ag, bag. What if there's an R in front of AG? Ag, rag. AG, ag, B, ag, bag. Ooh, here's a tricky one. Here's AG, ag, full, ag, flag. Here's this word again. What's this word? Ag, bag, ag, tag, ag, bag, ag, bag, ag, sag. Good job. Okay, this time I want you to put your reader finger underneath the first word. And I want you to read it as I point to the words, okay? We're going to read it twice. And the second time I'm going to read it with you, but the first time I want you to try. Are you ready? Good job if you were able to keep up. If you were able to keep up, that's okay. I was reading in my head to try to pace myself, and that's one of the hard parts about being virtual is that I can't see or hear how well you're doing. But if you didn't keep up with my finger, that's okay. This time you're going to put your reader finger up underneath the first word, but I'm going to read it with you, okay? Make sure that you're reading it with me. Put it in the bag. Is that a rag? Put it in the bag. Is that a flag? Put it in the bag. Is that a tag? Put it in the bag. Oh no! The bag will sag. Great job. I want you to take your light colored marker and go through, or your highlighter, and find all of the ag words. Go through and find all of the ag words. Go ahead and pause the video and find all of the ag words. Come back to check to see if you found them all. All right, friends. Welcome back. You guys did a great job of highlighting. You can pause the video here to make sure that all of the words that you highlighted are the same words that I highlighted. Once you are done finding all of your ag words and highlighting them, take your poem and your reader finger to someone or something in your house and share. Put it in the bag with them. Have a good day.